The ViewSonic LX60HD projector is designed for people who want an all-in-one entertainment solution without the hassle of multiple devices. It's compact, smart, and powerful, offering full 1080p resolution that delivers sharp and colorful visuals powered by advanced LED technology. Unlike traditional lamp projectors that fade over time, the LED system keeps colors consistent and extends the life of the projector significantly. Setting it up is effortless. The LX60HD comes with automatic focus, so your image is always crisp, and horizontal/vertical keystone correction keeps the screen perfectly aligned even if the projector isn't centered. These small but essential touches make a big difference in how quickly you can start watching. What makes this projector stand out is its built-in Google TV. You don't need a streaming stick or external device. Apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Disney Plus are ready to go the moment you power it on. This convenience alone makes it one of the easiest projectors to use in its class. The interface is clean, fast, and familiar, bringing a smart TV experience directly to your wall or screen. For sound, the built-in speakers deliver decent performance for casual viewing, and if you want a more cinematic experience, you can easily connect Bluetooth speakers or headphones. Wi-Fi connectivity allows screen mirroring from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, turning any space into a personal theater. Brightness performance is another win. The LX60HD offers about 3,800 lumens, which means you can still enjoy clear and vivid visuals even in a room with some ambient light. The contrast is solid, and motion remains smooth, making it suitable for streaming, sports, and gaming. Input lag is low enough for casual gaming sessions, although professional gamers may prefer a dedicated gaming projector. Design-wise, ViewSonic keeps it sleek and minimal. It's lightweight, portable, and built to blend into any modern setup. The remote control is intuitive, and the menu system is simple to navigate. Ports include HDMI, USB, audio out, and USB-C, covering all your connectivity needs whether you're using it for entertainment, presentations, or even a quick gaming session. The ViewSonic LX60HD strikes an excellent balance between performance and convenience. It's a projector made for those who want flexibility, something that can switch from a living room setup to an outdoor movie night effortlessly. The LED light source not only improves visual quality but also keeps maintenance low and energy efficiency high. For anyone who values simplicity, smart features, and high-quality visuals in a portable form, this projector delivers. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, hosting movie nights, or sharing content wirelessly, the ViewSonic LX60HD gives you the freedom to enjoy big-screen entertainment anywhere. If you're ready to upgrade your viewing experience and want a projector that's versatile, bright, and easy to use, the LX60HD is an excellent pick. It's the kind of device that fits perfectly into a modern lifestyle, compact, connected, and built for entertainment that moves with you.